What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Kev. I am Kevin and today we'll be making the teriyaki chicken with broccoli and sticky rice. The key ingredients for the teriyaki sauce itself, we have soy, mirin, the hakutsuru sake, also rice wine, definitely one of the base ingredients for the teriyaki sauce, okay? And then of course, sesame seeds. Welcome back. So we have our induction setup right here. I've got a little sauce pot in which we'll be making the teriyaki sauce, and yeah, let's get this baby going. Okay, so we've got the induction set going, medium low heat, and let's add some oil and garlic. Goes about garlic. Yeah, that's sizzle. So we're going to have this on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so that the oil and the garlic can communicate. I'm so upset because I don't have any ginger, but that's fine. Whew. Smelling good, smelling good. Just get it open. There we go. 250 ml of mirin. So that's 1 cup. $250 ml. So medium high heat. Let it reduce. So let the mirin and the sake reduce, and then once reduced you can add your soy, stir through, and then don't forget to add 2 more ingredients, one being your sesame seeds, half a cup of sugar. That is just to thicken the sauce and then allow that sweetness to come through of the sauce. It's also a good idea to taste along the way, just to make sure that before you add the sugar or anything like that, that it's not already sweet enough for you, okay? Sugar, alright, it's going to help thicken the sauce as well. And just let that come together nicely, and your sauce will be ready. Color. Okay, off you go. Very. So we're going to use the same oil, the same rendered fat from the chicken to fry our broccoli, because it's a transfer of flavor. Guys, do not throw the flavor away. Nothing wrong with that. Induction, we need to fry. There we go. So yeah, let's go. Pow, pow. So the idea is not to like completely cook them through like flat and soft. They still have to have some crunch, you know. Hence I told you I'm not a wok boy. There's not much space for the veg to play around, but okay. Soon I'll get the gas, the flame, and the wok. Yes. Alright, so guys, my very first time making teriyaki chicken, and oh my word, from the rice throwback to our trip to Thailand, it is definitely sticky rice. Mwah. Generally we eat with our eyes, right? And this right here looks absolutely appetizing, but the proof is in the tasting. So okay. Teriyaki sauce. Sweet, smoky, excellent.